Hello and welcome to this episode of Expert Talk that comes to you through the courtesy of ThinkSoft Global as part of a series of experience sharing sessions by testing experts in the field of banking and financial services. Today we have with us P. Rajaram, a principal consultant with ThinkSoft, as he delves into the challenges faced by a large Middle East bank as they decentralized from their legacy system to a more modern one. Over to you, sir.
The enormity of the size of the BFSI sector gets reflected in an interesting piece of statistics. In the financial year 2008-2009, the assets of 1,000 largest banks in the world had grown to a record $96.4 trillion US. When a large consumer bank in the Middle East decided to change over from a 20-year-old branch-based decentralized system to a modern centralized system, it was faced with a host of challenges. Besides the usual lack of documentation on the old system and its processes, there was an added dimension in that the beta version of the product was made available for implementation, necessitating independent quality assurance. Since the bank had worked with ThinkSoft in the past, they relied on us for this critical activity. But was this a routine implementation, or was there something more in store? In retrospect, I think the bank felt the challenge wasn't enough for ThinkSoft because in the middle of the implementation, the bank decided to acquire and merge another bank. All this while ThinkSoft was engaged in resolving the earlier implementation related issues.
In the first week of the engagement itself, ThinkSoft was able to identify the potential delays and additional issues that the client would face during the whole process and advise them accordingly. This insight was well received and appreciated. In the first version, 7% of defects were identified during the UAT, almost the same percentage of defects as in the subsequent version. Gradually, through the engagement, ThinkSoft grew into a 25-strong team, doing not only quality testing and quality assurance, but also manning a help desk, supporting the branch users, training, and so on.
When the other bank with multiple branches was merged, the combined functional requirements of the two banks were very complex at the products, services, and accounting levels. A huge quantum of data was to be migrated from both banks and merged, which posed an even greater challenge. In addition to testing for interfaces and new code drops, we did a complete data migration and general ledger test. In fact, a senior person at the bank told one of the branch tellers who wanted help in navigating through a function, "Please ask ThinkSoft and not the product vendor."
That was complex and yet so simple, wasn't it? Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching.